Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to switch out the water filter on a Frigidaire refrigerator. Now, it is recommended that you swap these out every 6 months. Sometimes the filters are in the top right corner. This one in particular, we got it in the bottom left. So you're going to look for this box. This one can be a little confusing at first, but all you're going to do is you're going to just push this in. Then you slide it out. Now be aware of how that came out. So I'm going to want to line it up the same way. And then on your new filter, make sure you take these caps off. Some models are a twist and turn. You might have to turn this, so you might want to look up if it's not a push. Now we're going to take our new filter, and there's kind of a guide on the bottom here that we're going to want to line up as well. But I'm going to remember the way I took it out. It was this direction. And we just popped it right in. So what you're going to do next is you're going to want to run water for about 2 to 4 minutes. That way it kind of purges any air, and then it kind of lets the filter, like any loose carbon particles, work its way through. So you can see right there I had a little bit of an air pocket. It splashed a little bit. It's a little surprising, but it wasn't too bad. We're just going to keep running this. All right, so we got our first batch of water ran. Now there might be some particles in your water. That just might be some of the carbon particles that were loose. They just got to kind of work through. That's completely normal. All right, so we're done flushing out. Now you can look in this water. This is definitely more clear. We don't have those air bubbles. We don't have those carbon particles. It just needed to flush out. So we're good to go ahead and drink water. So I picked up a genuine Frigidaire water filter. There's a lot of knockoff brands out there. This one has actually been certified and tested for water standards. A lot of the knockoff brands out there, they're definitely cheaper, but they might not actually filter things out like this one. So I would definitely do some research when you're selecting a filter. Also, you know, there's some rubber gaskets on this. This has to fit a certain way. So if you get a cheap one that might not fully seal, then you have a water leak, stuff you don't want to deal with. And then I would just make sure that your filter is nice and flush. Should line right up. There's no water leaks down here, so we're in pretty good shape. And then you want to reset your filter light. So on this model, there's a water filter button. We're just going to hold to reset it. And now I can have confidence that I have clean and tasty water for the next 6 months.